Hey everyone, want to create ultra realistic portraits with Leonardo AI? Let's do it in just simple steps. Let's get started. First, go and log into Leonardo AI application. Then here in the dashboard, click Image Generation. And here, choose a realism focus model like Leonardo Diffusion or pick the right model that you want. Then here in the prompt box, write a powerful prompt. You need to be detailed and specific about your idea, like this example prompt here. Close up look portrait of a young woman, soft lighting, freckles, sharp eyes with ultra detailed skin textures, cinematic lighting, and high realism. Then here you can refine your prompts and tweak the settings. You can choose portrait ratio or guidance scale, and you can use or one image to four for the best detail. And you can also use negative prompts if it's available. And once done, click generate, and once you're happy with the result, download it and share your hyper realistic portrait. And that's how you create an ultra realistic portraits with Leonardo AI. Try different prompts and models for even better results. Follow for more AI art tips. Thanks for watching.